Welcome to an overview of xRP, the online business productivity tool by Agent Technologies. Now let me go over the situation of why we created xRP, because we've created a number of solutions for our clients over the last 13 years. And the situation we've always found is every company must coordinate their people resources, so this tool needs to help them in coordinating their people resources. Every company must develop their sales pipeline. That means maximizing the number of leads, improving the conversion rate in your organization for determine the number of customers you have, and then increasing the number of transactions and increasing the average size of the sale from each of those customers. Every company needs to document their company knowledge, because we as company owners, we pay for our employees to acquire knowledge for our operation. However, unless we document this company knowledge and put in a format that's accessible to everyone in the company, then it's really not company knowledge, but just knowledge that person has in their head. So if they're not there that day, or if they happen to leave to go to another company, then that knowledge walks out the door with them. And every company needs to maximize their productivity. This means that every company needs to do as much as they can with as few resources as possible to maximize their profit, because it's cash in that profit that will continue to drive the growth of that organization. Also, some companies need standard processing for custom processes. This means every company is different. One company does this, one company does that. But there needs to be a tool that's easily customizable so they can standardly process whatever it is that they do. Also, some companies can use a portal that customers have access to. This becomes important for communication, so you can easily communicate with your customers without becoming any kind of a bottleneck in the process, so they can see exactly what you're working on and the status of those things for their projects. Also, some companies use QuickBooks and don't want to change. QuickBooks is the #1 financial package for small to mid-sized companies, and some of these business owners don't want to stop using QuickBooks, but they need other things to help them better manage their organization. And that's why we created xRP. Also, some of these companies need to fulfill orders from many different channels, be it e-commerce, online orders, phone, fax orders, and they need to process these and track all of them in the organization. And for manufacturers, some manufacturers need to manage their inventories. They need to know exactly how much they have on hand and where is this inventory. Also, some manufacturers need to manage their production and keep track of what they're producing and when they're producing it and how efficient they're being. So for all these reasons, this is why we created the tool xRP, which is an online business productivity tool, which means it just works through an internet browser for these companies. And now we'll step you through a demo of xRP. xRP and some of the functionality of xRP. So when you first log into xRP, it brings you up this task screen where you can see I'm logged in as Ben Moore of Niche Consumer Products, all the tasks for Niche Consumer Products. I can search by keyword, status, priority, what projects they're associated with, or even what users that may be assigned to these different tasks. So everyone can look at what are their tasks, what are their priorities, what do they need to get done. But first, let me have our little avatar over here give you a quick 1-minute overview of xRP, and its functionality. So first we're just going to click on the avatar, and then she'll give us our 1-minute overview. Okay, now after you see the quick 1-minute overview of xRP, now we're going to go through each of the different sections. So under the CRM sales section, this is an area where you can really track and analyze your sales results and your sales opportunities. So the first step is really setting up for each company. So going to CRM sales, and under the CRM setup, there's opportunity types. And now each company can enter in the different opportunity types for that organization. So for niche consumer products, we have a Diaper 911 brand. We have a distribution. We offer distribution or distribution for products, licensing opportunities. We have manufacturing opportunities, packaging opportunities, and sales rep opportunities. So you can just keep typing in the different opportunity types for your particular organization. Each organization is different. Each organization has different brands. Each organization has different things that's important to them to track in terms of their different type of opportunity types. But first, enter in the different opportunity types. Next, we're actually going to enter in a sample sales opportunity to the system. So we just went into the CRM sales, went down to the opportunities, then went over to considering. So these are all the opportunities they're still considering that we're working through to kind of close to become accounts for us. So we can get a quick overview of each one of them, their status, their value, and their account reps. And we can even export these things to an Excel file if we need to take them with us. But first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new opportunity to show you how quickly and easy it is to add an opportunity into the system. So when adding an opportunity, it brings up an opportunity screen. So we'll type in a short name for this opportunity. We'll type in a description for this opportunity. Now we can assign to any of the accounts or customers that we already have in our system in xRP. Or if it's a new account, we can just leave it as new account, and the system will create that new account for us. Now we can assign to which category of opportunity type it is, be it from the Diaper 911 that is involved with niche consumer products or another opportunity. So we're going to select manufacturing. We can select the status of this opportunity from first contact to interest shown all the way to contract accepted. So I'm going to establish a need. Then we can enter in the value of this contract. I'm just going to enter in $25,000, and the probability of close I'm going to say is going to be 50%. Now the close date in system normally defaults to 1 month from the day's date, but we get to select what's the close date. So when do we think this opportunity is going to close? So this opportunity seems like it's going to close sometime in July. So I'm going to do July 10th. Next, we choose our sales rep who's associated with this account, and now we add a primary contact. So I'm going to add a John Smith. Enter in a address for John Smith, so address, then city, then state, then postal code. For his company, he's going to be part of the Acme Widget Company. For email address, the jsmith@acmewidget.com. Also, I'm going to enter the phone number to reach John here. So now we have this contact information for John into the system. We also enter in a fax number or a cell phone number. So I'm just going to quickly enter something for a fax number for the Acme Widget Company. And now I can just add this information to the system. And what the xRP is going to do is going to add that contact. It's going to add that company as an account in the system. It's going to add that opportunity. And then it's going to associate all those things together. So now every time we go to the opportunity, we see the opportunity name, the description, this account that's associated with, the type of opportunity it is, what status we're in. We can always change the status as we make progress with this opportunity, the value of this opportunity, what's our close probability that we're going to close this, and therefore now the expected value of that is $12,500 because the total value is $25,000 and the close probability is 50%, so our expected value from that is $12,500 or half of that. The close date, which account rep it's assigned to. Then on the right-hand side, we have the primary contact information, John Smith, and how to contact him. The name of the company and its address. And then along the top, we have all these tabs to hold information that's associated with this opportunity. So we're going to first go to the notes and add a note. So every time we touch base with this opportunity or this primary contact, we can put a note. So spoke to John Smith about 200 widgets. And so we hit submit, and so therefore it's going to time and date stamp that I, Ben Moore, was logged in and that I added this comment. So when anyone from our organization logs in and interacts with anyone on this opportunity, then we can see the whole contact history